Welcome back to hyderabadwala.com. This is Yasmeen and today I'll show you how to make Amle ka achar or gooseberry pickle. Take half kg washed gooseberries or amla. Cut each gooseberry or amla along the marks and discard the seed. Dry these pieces under the fan for about 1 to 2 hours. After the gooseberries are dried, add 2 tablespoons cumin seeds or Zeera to a pan. Add 1.5 tablespoon mustard seeds or rye, 2 teaspoons fenugreek seeds or methi dana. Roast till light brown. Remove from the pan and grind into a very fine powder. Add 250 ml oil to the pan. In pickles, oil, salt and red chilli powder act as preservatives. Therefore, we require a good amount of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or Zeera, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds or rye. Let them splutter and then switch off the flame. Allow this oil to cool. Once cooled, add the ground spice powder. Add 6 tablespoons red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons turmeric powder, 6 teaspoons salt or add salt as per the taste. Use a dry spoon to mix. After mixing, add dried gooseberry pieces. Mix well, take out in an airtight container and use after a week. Till then, these gooseberries will release the juice and will also tenderize a bit. You can make this pickle even in a larger quantity, refrigerate and use for one whole year. Thank you for watching. Please share, comment and like this video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.